Here's a quick step-by-step on Disney's mobile ordering. Open the Disneyland app. At the very bottom of the menu, you're going to see 3 lines. Go ahead and click that. Click mobile ordering. All right, so once this loads, you're going to click on create new order. After that, it's going to populate all of the restaurants that are available that you can order from, and it'll give you the times of when you can pick up your order. In my case, I've selected Bengal Barbecue. Now, if you haven't tried this bot, I recommend you try it. It is so darn good. It's right across from Indiana Jones, and their chicken skewers are to die for. So this is what I'm ordering here. Definitely order a little more than just the one skewer because they are a little small. I also add these bacon wrapped asparagus, which are really good. They go well with my chicken skewers and that Polynesian sauce to dip. And I also add a tiger tail. It goes really well with all of these selections, and especially, again, dipping in that amazing Polynesian sauce. It's a must try, so give it a shot. Once you're done adding all the items to your order, go ahead and click next. It's going to bring you to the order summary page. So this is where you really want to make sure that you've added everything you need, especially those quantities, because it's happened to me before where I've ordered only 1 and I meant to order 2. So make sure to verify all of that. You're going to verify your payment information as well as enter your annual pass. If you are an annual pass holder, take advantage of those discounts. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click purchase and your order is submitted. One of the really cool things about this mobile app that I really enjoy is that if you've selected to pick up now, as I did, you can click on I'm here, prepare my order button, and it'll be ready within just a few minutes. We hope you guys found this step-by-step tutorial helpful. As always, we'll catch you on the flip side.